Why? Plus, you look good in the video, I swear. Do that again. Why? This is inside Jamaica, Blossom. Where are you going? Why? The coconut tree, them are country, them tall so till. We need a piece of thick with droop. It's a long rubber thick. This much better. This is much better. Even me would have a chance to reach it. Baby, and you're leaving the camera. You don't know how this thing works. Oh God.
Yeah, Billy? Yeah. Not drink it like better, you want straw?
No. Think me still can do it. No, so we can do it, man. Don't worry. I don't need a straw. Come on, don't make me look so stush. So, guys, my first coconut. Forgive the looks. Coconut. It's nice.
Oh.
Bum.
If you been up.
My shoes. Wait. So ever the miss out. Guys, this is the life. What kind of look was that? What kind of look was that?
Mommy, I miss out. Mommy, I want coconut jelly.
Mommy, what should I? Should I be here?
No, she.
I'm full.
And a little bit of water, don't carry.
Maybe they done full. Come before this to do what? That's how we could get used to this. Manage to finish it. Manage to finish it. How are you storing it in the fridge like that? Oh. So guys, this is how the Jamaicans do it. They put it in container. Dry land tourists eat it, drink it from the coconut itself. Oh God. No in there. Look a bit. Alright, give that one a good chop. The best chop ever. Too much pressure. God. We give him too much pressure, guys. Don't judge. We want bigger spoon, no? No spoon, no there. One nice little spoon.
Chop one spoon. What this make me say me chop one spoon?
Yeah, chop one spoon.
You don't know if you chop. Spoon, yeah.
Yeah, nice, perfect little spoon.
Yeah, understand.
See Blossom get the job done. Ooh.
This is spoon.
Inside Jamaica. Guys, you need to come and do a tour with Blossom. You see, you're getting the real experience. Coconut, jelly water, everything. See how well this over there? Why? Like you know you want done. Brownie don't want to partake in the coconut business. That was nice. Breakfast. Breakfast dessert. You want some of the coconuts? You want some of the coconut? Blossom call them look fat. Look fat. Why you say she named the real official name?
Trixie.
Trixie. Trixie aka look fat.
Look fat.
I say throw them. Where you throw them now? What was it? A best throw. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Woo. Yes, I go build a house with them, you know. The rooftop. For your hut. You put it on top of your full cum. Make it well island.
Oh, that is delicious.
Sweet. Yeah, just want to chill. Culinary?
No, but we think you're going to feel here so tomorrow.
You never can do it without a mess. You ever do it without a mess?
No. That's why I asked if you want straw.
You sure?
Nah.
No, that's convenient.
It's twisted like
I
you
want
want
to pull on my grace. But it's alright.
Here come.
Me good, me good.
It's like say no.
We're the real yardies.
A
We
coconut
don't
water
need
are
straws.
good for my skin.
Yes. Look at breeze cool a while ago.
Mommy, let's try here.
Thanks.
Time hot though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I thought me I say for just a meal.
Time hot sweet. So sometimes we just in the house because English so kind of cooler than outside. The kitchen.
What did Crystal do?
Yeah, around this stuff, but not round away the balcony, they round at the back part. The side, yes.
Yeah. There, the little one room or something, I always open this door, that door, and make it breeze go.
Right.
And you may have a little tree of bush.
So, Blossom, how you like you?
Pfeffer beißer.
You like it?
Ja. Das ist, was ich vermisse in Deutschland.
That's what she missed the most from Germany.
Schmeckt sehr lecker.
That's the only thing what she said bring back for me.
Ja.
Tell me a story
Meine
about
Hunde kämpfen mit mir.
the dogs are fighting for some. So it's a German sausage good.
Sehr gut.
I remember, you know, guys, one time I brought some beefy for my cousins and stuff. Them never like it. All of them care. Everybody care go with them taste. They never like it. So I guess once you go to Germany, because Blossom has been in Germany for 5 years, so she know the good stuff.
Ja.
You want to tell me a little story time about Germany?
Noch nicht.
Not yet. She's not ready yet. She's not ready yet. I will get her to give you all a story time. So guys, mommy get a meal deal. Half barbecue, half original. Guys, look at the barbecue chicken. Plus, and what did you get?
The best KFC.
I get wings, hot wings.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Nice stuff.
Yeah.
Guys, I got a zinger. Barbecue zinger. That's what it looks like inside. The juice and coleslaw. And mommy got coleslaw. Then we have the next table over here. Come, Sam.
That was one show me up. That's all.
Good appetit.
You learn fast, man. Yes. So what do you have?
I'm gonna say it's not German.
Barbecue chicken. Barbecue. Yeah, barbecue chicken.
It is barbecue chicken.
But it mean chicken is Hühnchen. 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 And you have a zinger. Yes. Here, Crystal. I want to show them what we have.
Guys, so I get mashed potato, corn,
And fries.
and fries because I didn't have any
Wrap.
salad wrap. Good appetit, everyone.
Dankeschön, gleichfalls.
Danke, danke.
Make it too fast with that dress. That's some Powell Schneider.
We tell you to get barbecue, you just don't get so original.
Right. So different.
I'm already, where I'm already.
I know where Germany you can get this. Nowhere.
Show the front part.
For what?
The front part.
Huh?
No, the front part. Oh, you take off the front part. Oh, she finished it already.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, going good. This is absolutely
I tell you.
Okay, so you just left the camp.
This is it, guys. We don't have no glass to lift.
Big one. So guys, we're here at Dead End Beach.
Hello everyone, we're here at Dead End Beach.
So I finally meet up with our long lost friend after 10 years. That's 15 years.
Welcome to the Jamaican experience.
Jamaican. And that's why I'm Jamaican. Jamaican.
Jamaican.
Oh, okay. Sarah, come on.
I pick up one, he's got pick up two over there, so that's nice. I'm happy for them. Two people did over this one.
So guys, this is the end of day 3. We just come from beach. Rain stopped in our tracks. Look at this rain. So we're heading home now. That's how why I let the rain fall.
The fall terrible because you can't hardly see anything.
Yeah. Blessing from above. Let me say have a nice day. Come on. Yeah, man. So as Nafiti was saying, it's good so we eat earlier before all of this. Yes, I'm not told so. Because somebody could have eaten it anyway when they are now. Yeah, what else Nafiti was saying? Nafi's favorite word. Guys, yeah, when we're coming out of the water, the rain just poured down. And we have to rush in and turn towel underneath. Yeah, man. Let it get to dry and my dress up and it was well hectic. It was so fun and I can't wait to go back to the beach again. So anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.